Here's a fun harmonica exercise to improve your accuracy. So let's get started. There's a harmonica exercise that's well known among harmonica players. You might even have played it yourself. It goes something like this. Sound familiar? Howard Levy has called it the leapfrog exercise. I think that's a great name for it, so I'm going to use that name as well, leapfrog. So while I've seen this exercise taught in various YouTube channels, I haven't seen it done in Crossharp. So I'm sure somebody has at some point, I just haven't found it. So I thought I would do that today. So let's do the leapfrog exercise today, but let's do it in Crossharp. All right? So we're going to start with hole number 6. I'm going to start on the upper end of the harmonica. It's a little bit easier than the bottom end for right now. We're going to get to it. So stick with me on this. We're going to start with hole 6, and we're going to blow hole 6 because, like draw 2, hole 6 is also our home base. That's a G, and that's going to be Crossharp. And what it's going to sound like is this. Does it sound a little funny to you? Yeah, it does to me too. It actually sounds, I like the way it sounds. And that's because it's using a dominant scale, otherwise known as a Mixolydian scale. Now, you don't need to know those terms if you're just starting out. Don't worry about it. Just know that we're playing in Crossharp. In other words, in second position on the harmonica. So we're starting on G. And it simply means that it's a major scale, but the 7th degree is lowered a half step. So in other words, it's flatted a half step. So if we're playing a C scale, you got C, D, E, F, G, A, B, which is going to be our 7th degree. That B is going to become a B flat. And that's all. That's why it sounds funny. Okay, so this exercise, we're going to start with a 6 blow and then go to a 7 draw. See, we're right at that break in the harmonica where the blow notes and draw notes reverse themselves, right there at hole 7. So we start with a 6 blow, a 7 draw, then 6 draw, and 7 blow for the first 4 notes. So the 5th note is going to be a draw 7, followed by a draw 8. Then we have blow 7 and then blow 8. A draw 8 to draw 9. Blow 8 to blow 9. Then a draw 9, draw 10, and back to the draw 9. And that's it. Now, I'll also have the tab for this on my website, HarmonicaJoe.com, so look for that there. Now, down on the lower end of the harmonica, we can also play this same exercise. A little bit more difficult because it's going to have a bent note in it, namely a bent draw 3. But we're going to start with the draw 2 because that's our home base for Crossharp. All right, so I'm going to go draw 2 to draw 3. Now here's where it gets tricky. So you're going to need a draw 3 bent down. You hear that? I'm doing there? I'm bending that down a whole step. That's draw 3. So it goes like this. So draw 2 to draw 3 to draw 3, bent down a whole step, and then we're going to go to blow 4. Then draw 3, followed by a draw 4. Blow 5, followed by draw 4. Oh, sorry about that. That's a blow 4. Sorry about that. Blow 4, followed by a blow 5. Draw 4, followed by draw 5. That draw 5 there is our dominant 7th. That's what makes this scale the dominant scale, or Mixolydian scale. Then we have a blow 5, blow 6, a draw 5, a draw 6, and back to blow 6. So it sounds like this from beginning to end. And then you can always go down too. So make sure you practice these going up as well as going down. Again, I'll have the tablature down in the description box below and also on my website, HarmonicaJoe.com. So if you like this lesson and you would like to see some more, hit the like button, place a comment down in the comment section below, subscribe if you haven't already, and be sure to hit the bell so that way you're notified when I come out with some new videos. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one. Keep on harping.